Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss two sample answers that you can prepare for this cue card along with the explanation in Hindi. So, the topic is describe an important plant in your country. अपने देश में एक महत्वपूर्ण पौधे का वर्णन कीजिए. You should say what it is, ये क्या है, where you see it, आप इसे कहाँ देखते हैं, what it looks like, ये कैसा दिखता है, and explain why it is important और समझाएं कि ये महत्वपूर्ण क्यों है. So here are the two sample answers for your reference. Sample answer 1. In India, the peepal tree is very important and can be found almost everywhere. The tree has a strong trunk with rough grey-brown bark and it produces small round figs that attracts birds and animals. You will often see peepal trees in temple areas, by rivers or along the roads. People respect this a lot because it has a special place in Hinduism and Buddhism. It is believed that Lord Buddha attained enlightenment under a peepal tree, which makes it sacred. Many people worship it, seeing it as a symbol of life and strength. Apart from its religious importance, the peepal tree is very useful for the environment. It gives off oxygen not just during the day but also at night, which is rare for trees. This helps to purify the air, especially in busy and crowded places. The tree's roots also help keep the soil in place and prevent it from washing away. During the hot summer days, its shades provide a cool place to rest. The peepal tree is also used in traditional medicine. Different parts of the tree, like the leaves and bark, are used in Ayurveda to treat health problems such as asthma, diabetes, and heart diseases. In short, the peepal tree is more than just a tree. It's a part of India's culture and tradition. It provides many benefits to both people and the environment, making it a very important plant in our country. Another simple answer is, in India, the neem tree is one of the most important and widely known plants. You can find neem trees in almost every village and city in India, especially near homes, schools, and parks. The neem tree is easy to recognize because it has small green leaves and a straight, tall trunk with rough bark. The leaves are slightly bitter to taste, and the tree produces small greenish yellow fruits that look like tiny mangoes. Neem trees can grow very tall, often providing a lot of shade on hot days. Neem is known as nature's pharmacy because it has many health benefits. For centuries, people in India have used neem for various medicinal purposes. The leaves, bark, and even the seeds of the neem tree are used to make medicine for treating skin conditions, infections, and even keeping pests away from crops. Many people still brush their teeth with neem twigs, believing it keeps their teeth and gums healthy. The tree is also important for the environment. It helps improve the quality of the soil and can grow in tough conditions, even in places where other plants might not survive. Its strong roots hold the soil together, preventing erosions, especially in areas prone to heavy rain. In many Indian homes, you will find neem leaves hanging at the door during festivals because it is believed to ward off evil spirits and bring good health. Even in modern times, neem oil is used in soaps, creams, and other products because of its natural healing properties. In conclusion, the neem tree is more than just a tree in India. It's a symbol of health protection and resilience. It's a plant that has served people for generations and continues to be an essential part of life in India. This is all about from my side. I hope these sample answers will help you in your IELTS speaking preparation. If you have any other doubt, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, guys.